what's up guys, welcome back to another video of Rishik Plays. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the smallest carom board you have ever seen. It is this. Yeah, I'm gonna place the phone right here. I hope you can see. Yeah, can you see the smallest carom board? Yeah, I am gonna be unboxing. Somehow I should put this. Okay, I'll put it like this. IDK how to put it. Okay, I hope you can see me. Yeah, this is the smallest carom board and we are gonna be unboxing it. Where is the thingy? It's here. Yo, it looks so cool from the outside actually. Oh my god. The carom pieces are actually very few. It's only these black, but some reason there are no white. In carom there will be white pieces and black pieces, but only here there is black. IDK why there is only black? Yeah, this is like so cool. I never saw a smallest carom board in my life. I actually got it from a gift where, yeah, I can't tell you. She's a YouTuber also. Yeah. So I'm gonna be playing the smallest carom board ever. Pew. Oh. Wait, but why are there very less pieces? I guess it's because of the smallest carom board. Like, see, only 5 pieces are there. I'm gonna get the camera. Yeah, only 5 pieces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and yeah, this thing is there. Yeah, let's play carom. Let me place it here. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, 3, 2, 1, hit! Oh, I got one in. Okay, let's see if I can get another one. Okay, this one should go in the center. Okay, we'll put it here. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Oh, wait, hit it! Okay, it didn't work. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Yes, it went in. Okay, so far I got two right now. As you can see, these two. If you want, I can zoom it in. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Why did it go in fully? Guys, it's not shrinking. Yeah, it's now shrinking. Okay. I'll just increase little bit. Yeah. This thing didn't fall. Okay, we have to hit 3 more pieces. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Yeah, actually, I need some powder in this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, they went jumping out. Oh, I got a foul. Now I got to put 1 piece back because this thing went in here. It's actually so hard to play on the world tiniest carom board. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, they're jumping every time. That's so dumb. Why do they have to jump every time? Okay, again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did it jump again though? Dude, did it jump again? Okay, this time it didn't jump. 3, 2. Okay, I'll start from this one. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, but I missed it so badly. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Got it in. What the? Oh my god, the other one fell. Yeah, now I have 2 more. Only 2. 3, 2, 1. Bruh's jumping! This thing is actually so like, yeah, very bad for the carom. 3, 2, 1. What the? It went under this pillow. I got it now. Oh my god, roll. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, yo! Double in trouble. Yo, two of them went in there. Yeah, so yeah. This is the world tiniest carom board. Wait, the other one. This is the world tiniest carom board of my vid. It's my first vid do unboxing something. Yeah, this is the world tiniest carom board, and the carom pieces are right here. Only 5 of them for some reason, but there are no white. I guess they packed it wrong. So yeah, that's pretty much for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.